Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kapwing for trimming and resizing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Kapwing website. Locate the login or sign up button in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Input your email address and password associated with your Kapwing account. If you are new to Kapwing, select the sign up option. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or other available methods. After logging in, you will be directed to the Kapwing dashboard. Now, to start trimming and resizing, click on the New Project button. Select the type of content you want to create, such as a video or image. Once your project opens, upload the media file you intend to trim or resize. Drag and drop your file or navigate through your folders to find it. After your media uploads, you'll see it displayed on the editing canvas. To trim your video, use the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Select the section of the video you want to keep by adjusting the blue markers. After setting your desired length, click on the Done button to apply the changes. To resize, look for the Resize option located in the right sidebar. You can choose from preset dimensions or enter custom values. Adjust the aspect ratio if necessary to maintain your video's quality. Once you're satisfied with the new size, click Export to process your video. Wait for the rendering process to finish, which may take a few moments. After exporting, you can download your trimmed and resized project to your device. Review your video to ensure it meets your expectations before finalizing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.